All right, folks, have I got something new here from Costco on sale to the 26th. And if you see this review later on, it's not on sale anymore unless you check them, because it's only in this video. It's for the 26th of this month of February 2023. But this is the new Nighthawk Mesh Wi-Fi 6 system. And I tell you what, this thing is better than I thought it was going to be, because some of the reviews were kind of downers, but it does cover 4,500 square feet. It is 2.5 times faster than Wi-Fi 5. Boy, it is. The Wi-Fi I had, I think it was like a Wi-Fi 1 or Wi-Fi 0. I'm not sure. It's super ancient, the one I replaced. This Wi-Fi 6 is killer. And there it is right there. I've got my security code covered up, but that's it right there. This thing works like a champ, and you get 2 other satellites, 1, 2, and you put them around the house so you can extend your coverage from 2,500 feet to 4,500 feet. And I'm going to show you where they are real quick so you know it's real easy just to plug it in, turn it on, and then start setting it up with the app on your phone. And it's a humdinger. It works like a champ. Okay, I put one in my daughter's room, just plugged it in, turned it on, and it just turned itself on, and that's it. That's all you have to do. And I'll show you where the other one is. This one here is in my office. I just plugged it in and threw it up in this box above my computer. Now, setup is real easy. You just download the app and then just get started. Just run the app. And it is not quick like they say it is. It takes some time. You're going to see a lot of amber lights on your primary mesh. And that one only has also one Ethernet port. All these have an Ethernet port, so you can hook it directly to it and speed up your speed a little faster, but I just use the Wi-Fi. But the one that with the internet, it has an internet connection, and then it has an Ethernet out, so I can go from that to my TV and run that way, just run straight the internet from the primary source, which is the modem. But anyway, this computer right here, it used to be a really slow runner. I'd run from 20 megabytes per second to 90 megabytes. That's a great day. That's a real great day. I mean, it's got to be a blue moon day. And but now, because I have 300 gigabytes actually coming to the door here, let's see what I really have. Now remember, this is Wi-Fi, folks. Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi. Look at that. NETGEAR Mesh. I've never had downloads like this before. In the 300s, high 200s. Upload and download. That is killer. Look at that. That is awesome. Let me tell you, I have 300 coming at the door, and I even got more than what I got coming at the door. This is killer. This is great. This thing works like a champ, but setup is slow. So just make sure you have time to do it. Let's put it that way. Because you're gonna need at least 30 minutes to maybe an hour, because it's gonna take a while to put the boxes around, set them up, put them in, plug them up, take them out of the box, all that stuff, and then start doing the app setup. But I can tell you, this thing is awesome. I go outside and I still have phone connection while I'm mowing the lawn. This is the way it should be, and it really is. The mesh is the way it's at. I looked at another one that I was gonna buy, the cheaper one that said it was 5.4 gigabytes or something like that per second. And it is the NETGEAR, but it looked like my old one, and it wasn't that great. And I thought, well, the mesh is on sale at Costco. I'm gonna give it a shot. If it doesn't, just take it back. But you know what? Right now, it's a champ. It's wonderful, and we all like it, and it's fast. And we got tons of devices hooked up to it, and it's not slowing down at all. So it works for me. Good luck, and God bless.